everyone, it's Nisha and welcome back to my channel. I found an oldie but goodie video hiding in my phone of me folding laundry because guess what? I had to film myself folding laundry to get myself motivated. But back then I was actually kind of nervous of uploading it. So today I'm definitely going to do it because of all the great feedback I get from you guys. And I will admit that this is my least favorite chore and it has to get done some type of way. So here you go. Well, what is your least favorite chore? Go ahead and leave it in the comments down below. I can read them, check them out. Maybe we'll have a mutual agreement somewhere. I hope this motivates you in any type of way possible. And if it does, leave a thumbs up and that will greatly help me out as far as my channel is concerned. And don't forget to subscribe for more motivational videos like this. And as always, thank you guys so much for your support. Now let's get started.
Running so fast, can you find me in the dark? Oh baby, close your eyes and listen to the beat of my heart. Take my hand, don't be afraid. A love like ours just can't be tamed. Take my heart, just feel the beat. We'll leave tonight and run free into the into the can make me